In this video, we'll walk you through the common causes and 11 practical fixes to help you restore normal SMS delivery on your Android device. Part 1. Causes of not receiving verification code texts on Android. If you're not receiving verification codes on your Android, it could be due to weak signal, airplane mode, blocked messages, SIM card issues, incorrect settings, app permissions, corrupted cache, outdated system, or carrier restrictions. Identifying the cause helps you fix it quickly. Part 2. 11 fixes of Android not receiving verification code texts. Here are 11 step-by-step fixes to resolve verification code issues, starting with simple solutions and progressing to more advanced ones. Fix 1. Restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, select Restart, wait for your device to power back on, and then request the verification code again. Fix 2. Check signal strength. You can check the signal bars on your phone. If they are low or 1 bars, move to a different location, like near a window or outdoors, and then try requesting the verification code again. Fix 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open quick settings, tap airplane mode to turn it on, wait 10-15 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Request the verification code afterward. Fix 4. Check blocked or spam folder. Step 1. Open your default messaging app, for example Messages, Samsung Messages. Step 2. Check the spam or junk folder for the verification code. Step 3. Go to Settings, block numbers, and ensure the sender's number or short code isn't blocked. Step 4. If using third-party security or messaging apps, check their spam or block settings. Temporarily disable spam filtering or block unknown senders to test delivery. Fix 5. Check SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, wipe it gently, and reinsert it securely. If you have a dual SIM device, make sure the correct SIM is set as the default for SMS. Test the SIM in another device if necessary, and contact your carrier for a replacement if the SIM is damaged. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Reset, Phone, or Settings, General Management Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset Network Settings and confirm. Step 3. Restart your device and request the verification code again. Fix 7. Check SMS Permissions. This is particularly important for Android 13 Plus devices, which have stricter permission controls. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, App Name Permissions. Step 2. Enable SIMs or text messages permission. Step 3. Repeat for your default messaging app. Step 4. On Android 13 Plus, enable Allow access to all SMS if required. Request the code afterward. Fix 8. Clear cache or storage. Step 1. Check internal storage settings, storage. Free up space if storage is 90. Step 2. Go to Settings, Apps, Messaging App Storage, Clear cache. Step 3. If needed, clear app data backup messages first, as this deletes SMS. Step 4. Restart the messaging app and request the verification code again. Also, clear the cache for the app requesting the code for the best results. Fix 9. Update Android system. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Update, or Settings, About Phone, System Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Step 3. Wait for the update to finish and the device to restart. Step 4. Update your messaging app and the app requesting the verification code via the Google Play Store. Step 5. Request the verification code again. Fix 10. Fix Android system issues. If basic fixes don't work, deeper system issues may be to blame. Using a tool like Android Repair can fix these without losing data, especially if other problems like app crashes persist. Step 1. Launch Android Repair on your computer and connect your Android device using a USB cable. Select System Repair, Android Repair, then click Repair Now. Step 2. Choose your device brand, for example, Samsung, Xiaomi, etc., and click Start to proceed. Step 3. The program will detect suitable firmware for your device. Review the information, select the correct version, and click Download. Step 4. Once the firmware is downloaded and extracted, confirm your device details and click Fix Now to begin the repair process. Fix 11. Contact the carrier operator. If you're still not receiving verification codes, the issue might be with your carrier. Contact customer support to check for SMS restrictions, network issues, or account settings, and ask them to refresh your network connection if needed.